You can see front of the truck driving is really impressive. The condition right now to there, how exploit this. This is the pollution is there right now because of rainy weather, and we need to show this one that we can do entry inside. Hello guys, we do today limestone loading. That limestone is used for to making a paper where you write your all things on the paper, and that limestone loading condition is not very good when you do inside the company. And I will show you every condition in limestone company, how things we need to face while do limestone loading. In my truck is near around to 40 ton. I do limestone loading is from there is Kimsar to be Muxar. This load I do, and this all things I will be show you. Just stay tuned in this vlog, and if you like the video, just please subscribe my channel and keep supporting me. And sometime on Indian roads you can see the car also come from the front of the vehicle, and you need to very careful from the cows. The condition right now to there, how exploit this specific method for you mining and take out the stone, and it's very cloudy. It's have to weather feel this one things is very cloudy, and somewhere because of rainy season have very prone area and very dry reasons. Really, especially you cannot see the any grass in this area without any rainy season. We come factory already. One point is there and second point is there. बाहर करके you can see this smoke. This is the pollution is there right now because of rainy weather, and we need to show this one. After that we can do entry inside. So people doing right now our entry. For after the entry we need to give all document on this window specifically, you can see. Then after that we can get waiting slip. The officer right now is come already checking our document. So I getting my waiting slip already, and I do scale already. And this waiting slip I give one of the managers there who do the loading the limestone, and I need to do tarping also inside the body of the trailer. These things I show you, but I think mostly in night time now I don't do these things. Only morning I need to do that things. Night time almost I am 99% sure they not do loading. Morning do. So guys, morning our truck will be getting parked already inside. We need to do loading. That manager told me already this loading will be start in the afternoon, and until evening that all document will be ready, and we can be start our traveling this limestone to Muxar Sahib. It's almost morning time, 5:30 to something 6 o'clock, and manager called me already for to park the truck for the loading. First I do the tarping downside. This is that was tarping is the by side, this side and this side, but this one is downside the tarping. We need to be do to protect the limestone from the water, because this water very dangerous for limestone. If water touch the limestones, powder is getting fire already. And in the back side of our trailer I put this one for security of the body the trailer, if and can protect our body of the trailer, because it's kind of heavy load, right? Near almost 40 ton load. All the way inside I'm standing right now, and this is the material where all things making limestone. I don't know you can feel or not feel is there is almost lime powder is getting out, and come this lime powder on our truck and dry already. And even when I'm standing inside it's very hard to take breathe, because normally we have go outside, right? Not have to be like adjust these conditions, everybody in this condition, right? Like, so when I go inside that limestone, when go inside your nose, if you continue taking breaths from the limestone, it go your lungs. Then after that is water come out from your starting water and starting sneezing from your face and from your nose. And this is the bag what we need to do loading in my truck. This truck is getting parked already there. Start loading almost one bag that labor already put. And this type of bag where is limestone installed inside, and they put these one things to protect the limestone from outside the water. Almost I think 1 hour or maybe in 2 hours our truck will be can get ready already, and then after we do tarping our truck and take a document and then start the traveling. This is the main machinery where the stone comes. You can, this stone is limestone. If you can see clearly, this stone is limestone. Then they make it. That thing is a powder. Then it's used to in paper making. Almost for what color of your paper says a white color, it's come this limestone. So our truck is getting loaded already. This is the before tarping, and this was the after tarp. But while doing tarping, is raining come already. You know, it's very difficult to while limestone loading and raining come. So guys, finally I get my loading document already with me. Now I start traveling from to Muksar to unload this load. And this vlog I going to finish now. And if you like my video, if you're still there in this video, please subscribe my channel. And for more future update vlogs, keep follow me.